Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Hotmail or Outlook and you've forgotten your PIN or just want to update it for better security, this video is your full guide to changing your Hotmail account PIN. It only takes about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a fresh, secure PIN ready to go. Let's get right into it. Log into your Outlook account. First, open any web browser and go to outlook.com or microsoft365.com. Click on Sign In, then enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your inbox. That's where we'll start. Access your Microsoft account settings. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your main Microsoft account dashboard, the hub for all your personal settings. Next, click on the Security tab at the top of the page. This is where you manage passwords, verification, and your PIN settings. Change your PIN. Once you're in the Security section, scroll until you find the Turn On or Change My PIN option under Windows. Hello or Sign In options. Click that, and you'll be asked to verify your identity, usually through a code sent to your email or phone. After verification, enter your current PIN, then type in your new PIN twice to confirm. Make sure your new PIN is something memorable but hard to guess. Avoid simple combinations like 1, 2, 3, 4, or your birthday. Verify the change. After you save your new PIN, go ahead and log out of your account, then sign back in using your new PIN. If it works smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully updated your Hotmail PIN, and that's it. Super simple, right? Updating your PIN regularly helps keep your Microsoft account safe and secure. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.